Today, I'm excited to share with you the 4-Pack Face Scrubber by JEXCULL. This soft silicone facial cleansing brush is a game changer in my skincare routine. Unlike washing your face with your hands, which can be ineffective, this scrubber ensures a deep and thorough clean. It's perfect for removing makeup residue, unclogging pores, reducing spots, and clearing blackheads. The result? Healthy, glowing skin that feels amazing. One of the standout features of this brush is its 2-in-1 design. It has 2 different parts in one pad: soft, fine bristles for exfoliating and cleaning pores, and thicker touch points for massaging. This dual functionality means you not only get a deep clean, but also a gentle massage that promotes facial blood circulation. It feels like a mini spa session every time you use it. Made from food-grade silicone, the JEXCULL face scrubber is both safe and soft. The bristles are gentle enough for daily use without causing any irritation. Plus, it's durable and built to last, so you can enjoy its benefits for a long time. I love how easy it is to hold, thanks to the little suction on the back. It fits perfectly between my fingers, making the cleansing process hassle-free. After cleansing, simply rinse the brush and hang it up to dry using its suction cup on a glass or mirror. It's very handy, especially for travel, as it comes in a pack of 2 different colors. You can use one for your creams and moisturizers and the other for your cleansers. This makes it an ideal gift for your loved ones. I highly recommend the JEXCULL face scrubber for anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine.